Hello, my name is Thomas, and I'm a recent graduate of Northern Illinois University. I began working on this project while I was an undergrad at NIU. I started with the goal of combining as many tools as I could into the smallest space possible, without sacrificing the simplicity of design. What I ended up with is Repair Rebel.
Repair Rebel is a lightweight titanium multi-tool with 24 functions. This includes 10 sizes of hex wrenches along the inside of the tool, and on the outside circumference there are 7 sizes of hex heads. There is also a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver, a T25 Torx head, and 4 sizes of spoke keys. Usability in mind, I designed Repair Rebel to be attached securely under a bike seat. It may also be carried in a tool bag or strapped to a backpack. This multi-tool is not meant to replace the larger tools you may already have, but can save the day on any trip. Thank you for checking out my project, and I appreciate everyone's help in making this a reality.